welcome to Kate's Kitchen. Tonight we're starting a new series on bread. Our first entry in this series is easy 2-ingredient biscuits. What we have for our ingredients is 1 bowl of flour. This is 1 cup of flour that I spread out and made a hole in the middle, and 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. What we're going to do is we're going to pour the whipping cream into the center of the flour. And we're going to take our spoon and we're going to mix it around. And we're just going to keep mixing it until it gathers the moisture up. We don't want to do a lot of work to it. We don't want to build a lot of heavy gluten to it. We just want it to be mixed well and incorporated. As you can see, it's already starting to hook together, to come together into a dough. Almost there. There we go. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little bit of extra flour that I have and put some on my hand, because I'm going to start squeezing this together to make a dough. As you can see, as you squeeze it, it comes together very well. A little bit of extra dough helps it not stick to your hands, a little bit of extra flour. And again, we're still just trying to incorporate the cream that we poured in there into the flour. Now if you do this, and it feels like you didn't quite get enough cream, and this is kind of dry. It is a dry dough, but this feels a little drier. You can have a little bit of extra whipping cream on the side that you can pour in. I'll see if I can get the last little bit out of this measuring cup. And then you just grab some flour and start working it in again. 2 ingredients seems kind of unusual to make good biscuits, but I've made them before, and the nicest part of it is that they come out very, very tender, and I really, really like the way they taste. It's beginning to make a good dough, so let's sprinkle just a little bit of flour. We want to work, but we don't want to add a lot of flour to it. Now, press it down and squish it together. Turn it over and do the same thing again. And you keep doing it until it holds together a little better than this is. This is kind of dry tonight. Now it's starting to hold better. Does kind of make a mess on the towel, doesn't it? There we go. Okay. Now we kind of pat it out into sort of a round shape. And what I have right here is a pie pan that I have coated the inside with butter. You can use butter, you can use lard, you can use vegetable oil, coconut oil, whatever you want. We just cut these into 4 pieces. There's one. I've never made triangular biscuits before, but we'll do it this time and see how it turns out. There's 3, and there's 4. The oven is heating at 450 degrees. We're going to have to let these sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll put them in the oven, where they'll cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Our 5 minutes are up, and it's time to put our little biscuits in the oven. Now Now in 12 to 15 minutes we should have good brown biscuits to go along with the stew that I made last night. So here's hoping it'll all come together at the same time. It's been 12 minutes and look at our wonderful biscuits. They are absolutely perfect. They rose up. They got a little bit of brown on them. I can't wait to taste them. And we're all set up for our dinner here. Oh yeah, they're hot. Whew. Now, look at that, so tender inside. Put a little butter on it. Close it back up. And they'll be ready to eat in just a minute or two. There we go. I'm going to dish up some stew for Dave and take this to him, and well, let's see what he thinks of supper. Alrighty, here we are. We've brought in Dave's supper for him. We've got these wonderful biscuits and stew, and now let's see what he thinks of the biscuits.
They're fluffy and light, and for something to go along with a stew or a soup, it works. It's not a dinner roll.
No, it's not meant to be a dinner roll.
But it's pretty good.
It was meant just to be what you're doing.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Well, thank you very much.
Considering all that's in it is just flour and cream, and that's it, right?
That's it. Just 2 ingredients and a little bit of elbow grease.
It's amazing what you can make out of just almost nothing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it works.
Okay, thanks. We'll let you enjoy your dinner.